Falls Libmanan. I will repeat. Hello guys, good morning. So today we're going to Malinao Falls. It's in Libmanan. Chris is the driver again as usual. We have Ella, Tua, and Dina. She's hiding, I don't know why. So, see you later guys. Finally guys. Are you excited to see the falls?
Lots of rain, so it should be full.
My mom and my dad and my other relatives, they are already there on the waterfalls. They just travel early morning around 5:30 a.m. to avoid
To avoid
checkpoints. That's the strategy that you need to do. Strategy, I mean. Minelli close, sir na. Dahil lang kita lang.
Ayun, madali. Hindi ka TV sa right maghiling, may nakasurat dyan.
It's all three. The view here. Are you tired?
Yeah, very.
You want me to drive?
Yeah.
Ayan na.
Here we go. That's the sign. Malinao. Slowly. Tapos diretso na lang.
Ayun.
Okay.
Sit down here.
No, straight lang na.
Dai, ligo na.
Oh my God, I'm so scared. Here's the sign, guys. It's Welcome Malinao Spring Resort. Here. Oh my God. It's so deep. The road is narrow.
Parang nga ni okay na ang ito. Dati ka na ito din.
Wow.
Mahiling mo na yan dyan, may nagsisi.
Sa ina katanda dyan, di na
Diretso
baba. Diretso pa?
Ayan.
The straight. And that's it.
Trippy ako isa rin.
Oh my God. So, ano?
Punta na mag si papa mo, oh.
Say,
Si papa mo dito. Ay, bako, kanaw si papa mo.
look the water, guys. It's so clear. Diretso pala.
Wala, meron ako sa sinunod.
Just wait lang eh.
Ayun, diretso.
Morning po.
Good morning.
Saan yung tabi si ma'am?
Si may nag-18 ako yung naka-jeep ka sa bagong 6 a.m.
Amay.
Amay.
Mga
Sa
six
kuya
kami
nag-start.
Bio.
Malinaw. Ano lang sa
Yung gana ko nagagila ko sa mga batong sa mga patami kang oras.
Wow, look at that. That's deep. That's very deep. That's more than 5 feet. I don't know what that says. I don't know how you get down there. You probably have to just jump in the water, and then how do you get out? There's water coming that way. There's water coming that way. Can't believe how clean it is. It's lovely. So it looks like there's about, including our families, about 3 families here. It's a Tuesday, so there's not a lot of families here. If it was a weekend like Saturday and Sunday, there'd be more families here, and you wouldn't be able to sit anywhere, I guess. It always makes me smile when you see how much rice there's there. I can remember going to White Pebble Beach and somebody forgot the rice and they went all the way back to Naga to get the rice. It's my little baby, look. Via. Hi guys. She's a little sweetie.
Isa's daughter dark now.
Oy! Ana! Yana! Yana! Salbabida, oh!
I wish there was somewhere dry so I could sit down.
Tell us if there's a falls over there.
How does she know? Oh well, obviously she's been here. Go over there and look how deep that water is there, Mal, where the waterfall is. It's very deep. It's more than 5 feet, I know.
Ella asked if there's still falls there.
A foreigner owns it. Huh?
It's locked down.
Why? Going to show you around a little bit. We've looked at the food. There's not much left for me. I mean, you know. This is all the Yukim family. Everybody here is Yukim. That's my ma. There's Agnes. Everybody loves Agnes. Yeah. So, I brought my drone, and I think what I'll do is I'll send the drone up here and take a video of the waterfall, because if I didn't have my drone I wouldn't be able to do it, so it's a little bit extra, I guess. Look how clear the water is. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. There's Nia, look. You know Nia, she was on a live when I went to sleep. Her friend's not here though. So the one with the cap, that's Ella. I said to Ella, do you want a foreigner, Ella? She said, yeah, sure. But he's got to be quite young. She doesn't want an old foreigner. Which I understand. I mean, I can't understand these girls going with an old guy like me. But Mel loves me, what can I say? Well, she said she does anyway. So that's Pa. Every time he sees me out with a camera he moves. So the water's not very deep here, but if you go over the waterfall over there, it's very deep. Very, very deep. Careful. This is about right, you know. I mean, I don't like it when there's loads of people. Can you imagine if there was any more people, how packed this would be? I think this is just about right. What do you think? Wish you were here? I wish you were here. Sander went underwater a few beaches ago, and now he's scared.
They know how to swim.
Yeah, look at him. Look at that little kid. He's swimming. Well, this is where they should learn when it's not that deep, Mal. Are you gonna go in? Yeah?
You jump on the 25 feet.
The what?
25 feet.
What, over there?
Yeah.
25 feet, is it?
15. I'm 15 feet. Wow. It's only 15. I took 25. 15.
No, it's not 25 feet.
It's 5 feet there. 5 feet there. Look, it's gone.
He's there, he's swimming.
Say hi, guys. Say
Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys.
Say hi, guys.
Ano naman nga ni? Iba na naman nga si Pimo Swimming. Sabi niya, iba naman siya
They're gonna do a jump there.
We're gonna jump off into the deep bit. Ah, okay. Let's have a look then. Let's have a look. It looks like the guys are a bit drunk. Not a good combination if you're jumping off waterfalls. Nia, are you 21 now? 20. Yeah.
Next year, 21.
She's going home now to her house.
Oh, she's going back home.
Because I'm going to Laguna now.
Oh, okay.
Before it's nice that before.
Is this the same as when you first come then?
Yeah, but this
It's not changed any.
It's changed a little bit.
Why are you asking if I am 21?
No, I thought you've just had a birthday, haven't you?
Yes.
Yeah, well, I just... Yeah, I wondered. I thought you were 21.
20 only. Tuwa is 21.
Ah, okay.
You want to type this?
No, thank you. If you hurt yourself here, you're stuffed. There's no hospitals for miles and miles. Yeah, remember guys, you know, it's alright coming to the Philippines and wanting to be near the beach and out in the wilds. But if you're no guy like me, and something happens, you're screwed. Because there's no hospitals for miles, so if you hurt yourself, or you have a heart attack or something like that, you've got to bear that in mind, yeah? So I'll get the drone out and I'll take some video of the waterfall. All right, they're getting out here, look. God, I can't believe how clear the water is. Beautiful, crystal clear. You can nearly see to the bottom. I think I'll jump in there later on. Are you jumping in? No, come on, you jump in. Come on. You don't know. You know how to float, don't you? You can float now, can't you? I showed you how to float. Look at that. This water isn't very cold, and look at them. Oh, God! If they jumped in the sea in the UK, they'd know what cold is. I'm gonna do a drone shot of there.
Turn, Chris, go.
No, it's not my turn.
Go. Chris, go down.
No.
Why?
We're doing it.
Kuya Chris, you jump na!
Bakla.
Mayroon pala dyan masakit.
Hindi yung ano.
Mari na, mayroon masakit. Mari na, mayroon masakit dyan. Mayroon niya kaya sa'yo.
Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Yeah.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets.